Guess what just came out? I love when they come out with the flavor. Blackberry Canada Dry Diet Ginger Ale. Oh my god. Oh my god, nothing gives burps like these. This Canada Dry. Canada Dry, the OG. That is delicious. It's very subtly fruity, but it's definitely blackberry flavor. Maybe a tiny bit sugary, but it's diet, so. Really? Really? And I got some tomatoes. And we're gonna go to the water and walk a little bit. Right, Olive? Yeah. Why not? Right? Let's turn this off. Windows. Go smoke one. Walk. On my log. Today's been a good day. I'm still eating. And it's 9:19. I'm done eating. I'm not eating chips. I was gonna eat chips. I'm not gonna eat chips today. Oh shit, I gotta go. Don't be jealous. Oh shit, dude, lady, where the fuck did you come from? Watch where you're going, fucking cunt.